Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fun little video, I promise. Because you guys know or remember just a couple weeks ago, Jeffree Star did his summer mystery boxes. And of course, Shannon had to be at work that day. So I missed out on ordering one. But a very good friend kept her eye on the computer that day and she ordered me one, but there's a catch. She said, this is crazy. I'm so excited. I can't stand it. She said she was making me a custom Jeffree Star mystery box. And I have it right here. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm too excited. I'm too excited. I'm too excited. I'm too excited. I gotta grab one thing right here. Okay. So, because I don't think I got all my tape cut. I need some scissors. I'm trying to get it open. Okay, hold on. Okay. All right, I got it. I got it. All right, first thing I see on the top. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is the t-shirt. Oh my gosh, look. Is the lime green, hi, how are you, t-shirt. And yes, that is my size. I know that's my size. Yes. Because I was like, that's big. That's my size. I know it is. Oh my gosh, guys. If I could wear this to work today, I totally would. Oh my gosh. It's so soft too. That's a good t-shirt. Oh man, I'm so happy. All right, that was on the top. Let's see what else we got. I got, because I've watched unboxings of these, so I know what was supposed to be in. I believe this is the deluxe size box. Yes, this is deluxe size box. And I got the pink straw. She sent me the pink straw. I have some metal straws, but none of them are pink, and none of them say Jeffree Star. So yeah, I have the pink straw. Oh, I love it. That will be going in one of my cups. Pink straw. Also down in here, I have an orange pop socket. I'm trying to think of what I have on my phone right now. I have my little like cruise case. So I'll have to get me a case I can put an orange pop socket on. Ooh, Halloween. Something Halloween would be cute. So there's the orange pop socket. And there's a couple more things down in here. This is an this is Shake Well. I do not have any of these, so I'm so excited. I am so excited. This is the Jeffree Star Liquid Frost in, I don't know if you can see that, Canary Bling. Let's get into it. It just says shake well before use. Okay. Oh, I love the packaging. I love the packaging. I know you guys have seen these, but guys, when you've never seen one and you're like, oh, it's so cute. Look how cute. And I know there's like a secret to the, oh, okay. Twist it and it pops up, and then you turn it. And then down inside is the little dropper. Yeah, okay. I gotcha. That's pretty. I'm going to put some back of my hand here. Ooh, okay. That was way more than I needed, Shannon. Way more. Oh my gosh. It's like liquid, just sunshine. I got a ton of highlight on now. I'm going to take a damp sponge. Just kind of. Is it iridescent? It's got pink in it. I see it. Oh my gosh. Can you see where it looks pink? That's crazy. I know you can't see there. It just looks gold. But it's got a pink in the glitter. Oh my gosh. I'm going to go to work looking like a highlighter hoochie. You heard it here, children. Highlighted hoochie. That's a new one. Okay, what else is in here? All right. So now this hand is unswatchable because there's so much highlight on it. Oh, look at the glitter left behind. Can you see that? Oh, it's so pretty. And there's 2 liquid lippies in here. So the first one is in his normal pink packaging. And it is the shade in Gemini. And I do not have this one. So what I have on right now is some lip gloss. And I'll just take some of that off. And I know this is going to be too dark for what I'm wearing, but let's try it on. This one has the root beer scent. I wish they all still had the root beer. Ooh, I like that one. So that is Gemini. I'm going to sit him up here with his brothers and sisters. That's the Gemini. Ooh, very pretty. All right, I'm going to take that off before it dries. Because I have one more. This is question mark. Yes, it's question mark. I wanted to see what this one was. I saw everybody else haul it, and I was like, that is such a pretty shade. Okay, and it's got the lime green packaging. And give it a shake, and oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Not patchy at all. Some of his can be a little patchy. You've got to kind of finesse them. That was not patchy at all. Oh my gosh. I'm going to let that dry down a little bit. I've got glitter on me. Guys, that's pretty. And somehow I'm getting a shadow right there. I don't know what's going on. I think it's this light right here that's doing it. So we're going to turn it. I'm going to sit him up here beside his brothers and sisters. And I just noticed this eyebrow looks wonky. It's a little bit of. It's drying. Nothing on my teeth. I'm terrible about getting it on my teeth. Guys, that is so pretty. I know it's over a powder highlight, so it's like you can't really see like the true. It's pretty. And that's, I mean, I wiped the crap off of that, and there's still glitter everywhere. Oh my gosh, guys, that's so pretty. Thank you so much. You know who you are. I'm not going to say your name on camera, but you know who you are. And girl, I love you for it. I love you for it. I love you for it. Thank you so much. I can't wait to do a video using some of these goodies. And I'll be sipping out of my straw with a big old tall glass of something. Wine cooler or something. I don't know. But yes, thank you so much. I have got to get my butt up and get ready for work. I'm going to go in there looking like a highlighter hoo-hoo. And What can you do? I got Jeffree starred. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, commenting, hitting the thumbs up button. Do that right now if you've not already. And I will catch you guys on the next one.